Good afternoon, MIDI for Kids, Guitar Kids, Mr. Koenig here. And for those of you who did not have your notebook today, you are in luck because I have mine. All right? So, first and foremost, we got to write some stuff down. So, get out your pencils and open up to page 10. Page 10. You can pause right here. As you find it, I'm going to go on. Page 10 has Spider Speedway. I'm going to show you what your page should look like. I'll leave it there for a moment. If you would like to pause so that you can write it in, it might take you a minute or two. Notice we're not using the 6th string version. We're going to use the 1st string version up here. That's what this tablature means. Top string up here is our 1st string, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. While we're at it, to write in one more thing, right below Spider Speedway, on page 10 is our E minor and E major chords that we're going to be using in Tough Break. Notice the E minor already had some dotted circles filled in there. I wrote the fingers. 2nd and 3rd fingers for those two strings, the 5th and 4th strings. And then when we play E major, it's over here, notice there's no M after that one, we add the 1st finger. If you need to pause to fill that in, feel free. Alright, well, I'm going to put on Spider Speedway. It's on your CD. If you are like me, you might have that CD pulled up right away. I've got my my iTunes pulled up here, and I'm going to start Spider Speedway. We go really, really slow at first. It goes faster and faster as you go. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too loud for you. Here's where it's twice as fast. We rest for a moment, and we do it again. Open. 1st finger. 2nd finger. Our goal here is to stretch those fingers and place them directly behind the frets as we play. As you get better, you might move to a different string and play the same thing. Here I am on the 2nd string. Remember, keep your fingers arched. Curved. Well, go back to the 1st string. Ensure that we're arched by keeping the thumb pressing on the back of the neck. There we go. And you can play it. It repeats through several times more and gets faster and faster every time. I did say in class today that there will be a prize for anyone who can play the entire thing all the way through without messing up maybe more than a couple times. Give it a little bit of leeway. At least a little bit, anyways. The other song that we worked on today, and by the way, Spider Speedway is on page 10, is Tough Break, which is on page 13. It's going to use that E minor and E major chord. If you need to turn back to page 10 to reference those because they're bigger and filled in, that's fine. But remember, Tough Break includes those two chords. Everything that says a capital E is E major, including our 1st finger. Every slash is a strum. When we see down here the circled E with a lowercase m, that's called E minor. We lift up our first finger. I'm going to play through a little bit of this. I'll move myself out of the way there. And here is Tough Break. Time focusing on my strumming, I'm going to use just my thumb and gently strum all 6 strings. Doesn't have to be fast or forceful, just with the beat. Alright, I won't play the whole thing. Y'all can practice that at home. But that is pretty much what we're working on this week. As we go, these songs are going to get more and more complex. So this time around, probably for about this week and next week, if you're practicing at home, I would say time yourself for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's all you need. But do it like 5, 6, 7 days out of the week. I think you'll find that at the end of 5, 6, 7 days, Tough Break is going to be not tough, but rather pretty easy. Anyhow, let's see. I have a trivia question, and I will say my trivia question today is going to be a sports score. A sports score. It will be one of my favorite teams, Borussia Dortmund, plays in the German Bundesliga, but they're playing in the Champions League this year. And today they had a match against a team from Cyprus. And I want to know the final score. The final score was 1-1, a draw. Anyhow, if you come back in with that trivia answer, there might be something in it for you. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. We'll see you next time. Any questions, email me, Chris_Koenig at roundrockisd.org. See you later.